Karibu viongozi wa wanafunzi.
Our First Lady, Honorable Kwamboka Arati, all guests available, our teachers and students, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
We would like to thank the Almighty God for this wonderful day. It's a blessing to all of us. For all these guests being in our school, it's a really good blessing to us. For me, I only have one request to our First Lady, Honorable Arati. We could have to request you could offer us a bus. It has been a challenge for us. They're going to academic trips, going to music festivals, rallies. We have to hire a bus so that we can go to all of that. So I would like to request you if you could help us with a bus in our school. Thank you. That's all I have. And may God continue blessing you. Have a nice day.
Our First Lady, Kwamboka Arati, all protocols observed. Good afternoon. Good afternoon once again.
Good afternoon.
It is a wonderful day that God has granted for us, and we are happy about it. And also the blessings that God is showering upon us. This is the first blessings, and you can observe from your eyes. Okay? As you see, all these visitors, they have come to our school, and our school Suguta fraternity, we are happy and we welcome you and feel you are at home. I have some few requests. Our Honorable First Lady, that as you see, we are many in number. We are 1,989 students. But we don't have enough dormitories and classrooms. We are congested. Our request to you that may you help our Madam Principal. She has tried a lot for now and then to ensure that we are comfortable in school. But we request to assist her to build enough classrooms and dormitories. Lastly, from me as a candidate, this year, the Form 4s, they have said that we are going to do wonders. Right, Form 4s? And then, most of us, we come from poor backgrounds. We don't have enough materials to search for our examination. Like geometrical sets and mathematical tables. To all, may God protect you and bless you as you return back to your destinations. I wish you a nice day.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Because of the necessity of time, at this time, I welcome our area MCA, who is also my schoolmate, Mr. Muracha. Please come and address us. Welcome to our school. Thank you.
Asante sana. Suguta oye! Suguta oye! Your Excellency, the First Lady, Mama Arati, honorable members, the principal, and all protocols observed. Na wasalimu hamjambo. Hamjambo tena. sisi tumekuja hapa, tumefika Suguta. Suguta tumefika, hatujafika? Tumefika. Tuko area, hatuko area? Tuko site, hatuko site? Asante sana. Mama May, karibu Basi Central na ujisikie huko nyumbani. Hapa watu ni wangwana, hata umesikia sauti ziko sawa. Watu wako fresh. Na wako fresh barida. Wamesema karibu, Mungu akubariki kwa vile umekuja. Wajua huyu ni bibi ya gavana. Bibi ya mdosi wa Kisii County. Mheshimiwa Paul Simba. Simba ne? Kwani yo DJ amelala class? Bwana DJ. Ocha kerebo basi. Thank you. Asante DJ. Asante DJ. Asante. Asante. Thank you. Thank you so much. Wote wamesema Simba? Simba? Na Muracha je? Muracha nepa. Muracha? Asante sana. Wacha nichukue nafasi hii ili nishukuru mwalimu mkuu wa shule ya Suguta Girls. Ukiangalia shule imejipanga. Hata watoto uniform wamejipanga. Shule iko safi. Mambo iko safi. Kwa hivyo Your Excellency, hapa sisi kwetu nyumbani hapa Basi Central tuko sawa, na tunashukuru mwalimu mkuu wa shule ambaye anaendesha hii shule sawa sawa, na tunamuombea aendelee kukaa mahali hapa. Si ndio? Si madam wako sawa? Alafu kitu ingine, hawa wanafunzi wako wengi sana, lakini dom hawana. Wanalala kwa mabati. Unapata wasichana ni warembo lakini wanaamka kutoka kwa mabati. Kwa hivyo ile msaada wangu kama area MCA, ningeomba sisi wote viongozi, madam organize, nibembeleze mama county na gavana wetu, tuje hapa tujenga hata dormitory moja, tuite Mama May Arati dormitory. Ni wangapi bali tuite hiyo dom Mama May Arati dormitory? May as many as of the same opinion say aye. And may the contrary opinion say nay. The ayes have it. The ayes have it. Hawakuelewa swali lakini wako sawa. Haya. Nitachukua muda huu ili nilete waheshimiwa ambao wamekuja eneo hili ili muwaone, wawasalimie, mjue wametoka wapi na tunaelekea wapi. Nianze na Mheshimiwa Jacob Bagaka. Huyo jamaa vile mnamuona, wacha niwaambie. Huyo ndiye MCA wa Masige West na ndiye deputy speaker wetu wa kule bunge. Karibisha yeye kwa makofi.
Good afternoon. Hii ni shule gani? Again? Hii mko best in the world. Very good. Number one, I am impressed. You are so beautiful. Na mmevaa uniform vizuri. I don't know what I will do for you. But then I've seen something that I've said speak in English. Nimeona pale. And so I'm going to try and practice English. Isn't it? So my good name is Jacob Barongo Bagaka. I am the member of County Assembly for Masige West. Masige West is in Bobasi here, but the other side. And
yeah. Leo muko fresh. Thank you. Suguta hoye. Suguta hai. Suguta tupo. Nionyeshe ishara ya ushindi. Tena ishara ya ushindi. Thank you very much. I am a delighted member of County Assembly today because I have seen a wonderful school, and in that wonderful school I have seen beautiful girls. We have come for one purpose, to wish you success in your forthcoming examinations. We also have come to wish you good health as you prepare to tackle those examinations. Are you there? Yes. I don't want to talk much because I am convinced beyond reasonable doubt that all candidates in this school are going to succeed and proceed with their studies in the university. I have no doubt. Madam Principal, you have done a wonderful job. We are supporting you 100%, and that is why you have seen Our Excellency First Lady May Kwamboka. Can you clap for her? She loves girls, and she wants to empower what? Girls. She also wants you girls to be first ladies in the near future. So finally, my name is Honorable Naftali Onkoba. Let me see those who come from Nyacheki. It seems everybody comes from Nyacheki. So you know my name? Onkoba, si kweli? Kwa ile ng'ombe pia nikiongeza 5,000 hapo, nafikiria iko karibu kufika hapa sasa. Asante sana. Asante. Mwambia watu wa Nyacheki wamekuwa wengi. Pigia mheshimiwa makofi. Haya, wacha nimwite Mheshimiwa Richmond Rayori Manani, mjumbe kutoka Bokeka kule Kitutu Chache South. Jamaa kibonge, muone vile anatembea tu pole pole, mwendo wa aste aste. Pesa mingi, pesa utasi.
Asante sana kiongozi walio wengi. Wanafunzi wa Suguta na wasalimu wa mjambo.
Hamjambo.
Nasikia sauti ni mzuri. Ni kama walimu wanafanya kazi vilivyo, si ndio? Haya, na saa zingine unajua pia wazazi pia wanachangia, si ndio? Sasa mimi nawatuma kwa wazazi, labda wale mkitembelewa, labda wenye wataenda nyumbani, nataka mfanye hivi, kila mtu aweke mkono juu, museme baada ya mimi, tukifika ama tukipatana na wazazi wetu, tutawaambia Simba Arati amewasalimia. Na sisi kama wanafunzi, tutakapopita mitihani, kuwe na pesa ama kusiwe na pesa, kwa uongozi wa Simba Arati, lazima tutasoma. Asante sana. Mimi naitwa kwa majina Manane Richmond Ayori, ni mwakilishi wa kata ya Bogeka. Bogeka inapatikana katika eneo bunge la Kitutu Chache Kusini. Na wangapi hapa wanatoka pande ya Kitutu? Haya, kwa hayo nami kiongozi, kwa sababu unajua sisi ni wageni, hatuwezi changa kama wewe. Kwa hivyo kiongozi, pia mimi nitaongezea tu 5,000, alafu wewe maneno mengine ya ng'ombe maliza. Si ndivyo? Si anatosha? Sasa unasikia watoto wamesema hizi ni kura bwana zinakuja. Kwa hivyo jipange tu hivi, baada ya hapa si ataweza kuwa hapa mjumbe hapa? Haya, wamesema.
Asante. Baadaye tutachukua. Asante. Niruhusu nimlete mjumbe ambaye anatoka katika wodi ya Basi Bogetauri, Mheshimiwa Machuki Ibrahim. Kule bungeni yeye ndio chairman wetu wa agriculture. Pigia yeye makofi. Na kabla ya kiti alikuwa principal wa mahali fulani, atakawaeleza. Asante. Karibu mwishi.
Nataka kuchukua nafasi hii ni shukuru kwa ajili ya makaribisho ambayo tumepata katika shule hii, na nimpongeze mama county ambao ni Meya Arati kwa kutoa mfano mzuri kutembelea shule zetu na kuwajulia wanafunzi kwa jumla hali yao na kuwatayarisha wale ambao wanafanya mitihani. Mungu awabariki wapate kupita mitihani hiyo. Yangu kama mzee itakuwa rahisi sana. Waombe ni ngapi ndoto. Nione mwenye ana ndoto tangu aje shule ako na ndoto. You have a dream. What brought you to school? You have a dream. Lakini niwaombe tena mfunge macho, muniambie jibu tu nitakuwa nimetoka. Funga macho, uangalie miaka 15 kuanzia leo. Nataka tu uangalie vitu viwili. Nyumba yako yenye utakuwa unaishi, gari yako utakuwa naye na watoto wako. Angalia 1, 2, 3, angalia siku hizo za miaka 15 mumeona. Wangapi wameona watoto wao wakiwa nje ya nyumba ya nyasi? Wangapi wameona watoto wao wakiwa na kwashako? Wangapi wameona watoto wamefaa vizuri, nyumba maridadi? Wangapi wameona magari kubwa kule nje? Hiyo ni ndoto. Fanya bidii, tekeleza ndoto. Na siri ni kuandika majibu pekee kwa mtihani form 4. Right answers only. Mwisho ile ng'ombe naye nimeiongeza shilingi 5,000 na ng'ombe itafika hapa. Kwa majina mimi ni Ibrahim Machuki, MC wa Basi Bogetauri, jirani hapa. Asante viongozi wetu.
Thank you. Ng'ombe tunayo hatuna? Tunayo. Thank you. Sasa na mimi nafikiri nimemalizana na waheshimiwa wale ambao wamekalia kiti. Nataka wale wamama wako pande ile, najua ni timu yangu. Musalute hivi first lady aone mko. Hao mama ni masoja, ukicheza watakuvunja. Wako rada. Na hao wazee wamekalia hapo nyuma. Msalute. Thank you. Naona bodi ya shule na kila kitu iko hapo. Asante sana. Na walimu wako pande ile. Niruhusu. Kuna mabinti warembo mmeona hapa wamekalia viti. Hata mnashangaa ni kina nani? Hao ni waheshimiwa. Kuna wengine wako single. Mtaambia mabrother zenu wafanye maneno. Asa niruhusu DJ, tunaposimama tumkaribishe Mama County. Tupo Simba Netaya, Mama County akaribie, tusimame wote ili atuongeleshe, atuletea wengine. Weke kidogo. Hawa.
Good afternoon. How are you? My name is Kwambo Kasimba. I'm the wife to Governor Simba Arati. Are you happy to see me? I'm also happy to see you. I want to introduce the nominated MCS who are here with me. I want to give someone to introduce them. Suguta hi. Suguta hi. My name is Fanis Moranya Mbane, nominated member of Kisii County Assembly through your honorable member Moracha. It's through Moracha who was in ODM that I was able to be nominated. Let me just have them the mic. They say their names only. I'm Mheshimiwa Damaris Nyanchoka, nominated by UPA, the party where the deputy speaker was elected.
My name is Ruth Nyagechanga, nominated by Jubilee.
I'm Gita Brenda, nominated by Mendeleo Chapter.
Oh, the two girls are single.
Okay. My name is Concept Karabera, nominated by Wiper for Success.
Good afternoon. My name is Lilian Sandona. I come from Bombachoge Brab constituency. I'm nominated by ODM by Governor Simba Arati.
Good afternoon. My name is Gaudet Senyanganga, nominated by the biggest party, Chama Tawara cha Kisii County, ODM.
My name is Maria Musa, nominated by ODM.
She's not single.
Hello. My name is Isabella Nyamboko Igara, nominated by PDP from South Mugiran. Thank you.
Tumsifu Yesu Kristo. Milele na milele.
My name is Ebarin Mugire, nominated by ODM party. Party kubwa, party ya Simba Arati. Our beautiful girls, how are you? We are fine. I want you to pass your exam, go far, and be married by a governor. Like the beautiful lady. I am Batseva Sanaya, nominated member from Bobas Bogetaulio by UPA. Halo. Kitambo kidogo nilikuwa mwalimu na nilimfunza Madam Doreen mwenye ameomba hapa. Kwa hivyo nimefanya kazi. Na saa hii mimi ni mheshimiwa mteule, ninawawakilisha wale watu ambao wako na ulemavu katika kaunti yetu ya Kisii. I'm nominated by UPA. Thank you. And success. My name is Helen Nyamoita Misati, aka Nyans.
God is good.
I am a witness.
I'm Grace Ongwai, nominated by KNC, and I want to say that I am praying that in your exams you may be a witness of God's goodness. Good afternoon. Good afternoon once again. My name is Brenda Kengere, nominated by Kenya Social Congress.
Brenda Kengere, she's not married, she's single. So it is an encouragement to the Form 4s. The Form 4s. Form 4 is not the end. We have a system which we call 8-4. When you are in Form 4, you are still 4 years to go. So ours, we are ambassadors of Simba Arati to motivate and encourage the girls that after Form 4, you have another Form 4. So we wish you success. The class 8, remember there is nothing behind. So it is forward. So it is for you to work hard and make it forward. For the girls, we were asked to say this. You raise up your hand and say this. I promise from today. That I will cross my legs. And open my books. Until I achieve. So help me God. I wish you all success.
Hello? What have we just promised? Why are you closing your necks? You should first close your eyes and your ears. You don't look at all other people. Look at yourself. You know what you want in future. You know what you want to achieve. Don't listen to anyone. Don't look at others. Look at yourself so that you can become the person you want. If you start getting a boyfriend now, do you think you end up marrying him? No. Between a man and a lady, who wastes more time and energy? So don't be cheated. If I could have got a boyfriend when I was in school, could I come here? No. So it's good I close my eyes and ears, isn't it? Yes. And follow me so that you can become an engineer, teachers, or doctors in future. Are we agreeing? Yes. Thank you. I'm here to present the Governor Simba Arati. He has said hi and wish all the candidates success in the exams. And when you go home, please tell your parents Simba Arati has said hi. And I want to collect the money the Mheshimiwa has promised. We start with Mheshimiwa Moracha. How much did we promise? 20,000.
Your Excellency, because they have said I was to give 20,000, I'll give 40,000.
Let me count for you. This is 10, 20, 30, 40. Mheshimiwa Vanis has given 5,000. Mheshimiwa Bagaka, the Deputy Speaker, 20,000. So now I have 65,000. Mheshimiwa Richmond, 5,000. I have 70,000. Mheshimiwa Nafta from Nyacheki, 5,000. Mheshimiwa Machuki, 5,000. I have 80,000. What can I buy with this 80,000? Huh? I can't hear you. Give them.
You can buy some textbook for us.
I'm saying others are not satisfied.
Because we are many, add the money first.
Huh? Mheshimiwa Sonia has said he's adding.
Yes, I've added what they asked. I've given them 5,000.
Okay, 5,000. Anything else? I continue to look for money. Okay, let me give you the 50,000 from the governor. So now I have 135,000. I give to your principal. Now we have sorted you. We need to give you the gifts governor brought for you. You asked for geometric set. We have them for you here. And for other students, we have bread and soda here. The principal will share with you. And for the girls, for the candidates, there is one thing which is very essential for you as you are going for exam. We will give you sanitary pads. Tomorrow, Mheshimiwa Moracha will deliver to your school. How many candidates do you have here? 336. We will give each of you 2 packets. So you remember. Okay, I think I'm done. I want to give you the gifts the governor is giving you. We need the candidates here. You are seated? Okay. Huh? Yes. We want to start from grade 6. Where's grade 6? What grade is this? Grade 6, are you going to be seated? I give you or you queue? Come and stand right to the queue. For the class 8 and form 4, because I'm going to another school, do you allow me to give to your teachers so that they share with you? Asante.
Usimame distance, usipo na mic, upeleke kamera kwa mtu. Kuna extension huko.
DJ tafadhali wawekee wimbo.
This marks the second school as a ward ya Basi Central kutoka May County ya Kisii. The asset kulerero our first Red Bay County ya Kisii muske mi Arati ni kwabakire as school ya kabire eje kutoka school ya St Clair Suguta Girls kutoka sechense mechiga cha Basi constituency. Asset kulerero ni goya makinande as wiki ya kabire asukuganiria abana bonsi bagutoka May County ya Kisii asukuganiria maya asamatemu a form 4 amana amatemu a class 8 amatemu a grade 6 wa kirtobe class school iga se egodiga ene school ya kabere yere school ya mwari singen cyo kwa nekenga ubone bara abana biga se amaya asamatemu abo ditko ya rero se toza kesibari amambi toza class school ye korokwa se school ya school ya geometrical girls asabari bagaya bena ndumuno kuganira abana bacokora mutemu kubaganira maya na ndumuno kwenekenga kuba bare bindochi kubakonya asinge cyo cokora mutemu abo asoma koyiga kirifika school ya kabire school ya St Clair Girls ye kutoka segode ya Basi Central na onyana bigo ni babare abere cyo chabene kuganiria abaro kigwabiga amayasa mutemu abo ayo alego chaka guche amotenyo gose gutoka ase eke gocha nona boigo ase ese mumuneiga tubata abana be school yo boroso gose ba primary abo ba semeiga abene kiona barabu goikirana ase umuyigo igana anene muno first day me kwambuka kwenekia gocho kubaganiria amaya na anene muno kuba ase kuba ebindu biri kubakonya aso gukora amatemu abo nona boigo tukuri rero aso mugavana we county ya Kisii kwenekia wetera ase first day May Arati yuko bandekire kuenda na geometrical sets kuenda na sanitary towels ocha ase aborkiwa abaiga bachokora matema fomfo na anene muno kuenda na success card embate asokuboko kwane na anene muno gochikubagarira amaya ase omwaka oyiga nona boigo the population this school nigere too high nona boigo wetani ayo nigo bandekire kwana chiwesa echo chetaneti chiribu emia eyemo tucho konya na anene muno gocha ase aborokiwa abaiga besukuriga asingencho yokubagorera endagera na uchikubanekera chokora matemu iribo chokora buya ase umwakoiga ayo singotera ase umugavana we county yakisi umugavana akabere we county yakisi muske Paul Simba Arati indi side yasensemeiga nona boigo nigo bene nechindagira echo kuba osichindagira eche nekiokwananwa amo n'umugavana we county yakisi egenteke kimo gya korekanire ime county yakisi gesato chaka serikali yiga ya ugatuzi muna butambe none tengwera sensemo yiga as this side first lady no chiga they are giving out geometrical sets which are as candidates abacho kora amatem form 4 ase omwako yiga na anene mono asingencho yokoba wisheri success na akwane kyanga kobekera na ose kwane kyanga enko nyora bale asingencho going to go about him to begin to go to Chamatem. With us, Mugavana we county Kisi, Nel Teremo, Yo Konya Chinka, Tichitari Konya, and then Mono, Ekaravan Bagas and Quadigania, Asamatem, Form 4, Matema grade 6, Amanamatem class 8, Asing into Chingane Chinka Konya, to go to Koramato, Waiter, Asumugavana way county Kisi, now waiter first way county Kisi, me Arati, you go by Nekiri, when an geometrical sets, the Chucho Konya, Avana Wonsi, but what the Konya in May county Kisi. Na anena ko wish success asamote mama aso ko kwani kombate success card kuraso mugavana we county yakisi umoske Paul Simba Arati oyo obagane success kocha ase abacho kwa matema somo ko yiga yonte ko riba gali abene na anena mono ko somera success ko se ujumbe yere ase success card yiga mugavana kocha ase abaratu abonsi bo amwako yiga 2023. Wishing you success in your exams. To all the candidates, don't let anyone tell you that you can't do anything, because you have the ability to achieve what you put your mind to. You can do it. Good luck. I wish you all the best in your exams. May your hard work, commitment, and dedication bring you to success. His Excellency Honorable Paul Simba Arati, the second governor Kisi County. Muna kawaida muna batambe mchani kwa kwenye mto Dennis wasina wawancha onda ngeri kukwiri kuntu nolio kwenekenga ensemo chibichechiga yogo chinyora asincha yobo ikeranu muna tukasene weta kera chins nyo tie county ya Kisi niko akoro kwa Alfred Musa oyo kwenekenga kwa nyo chibichechiga ase enchira emo ase mokurwa ase eskuru yiga ya Suputagars eje kutoka ase ward ya Basi Central imeya Bubas constituency ime county ya Kisi nona boyigo ase ward yiga enere kumakia eskuru yomoelio ase tukolia lero kurende tukwanda ase nsamwene toto kumanya sada gendrete gwetera ase TV yago eyo sigete TV ya Kisi Hot TV kurende dano kwere masemo wika ase first lady nagasene kwana na ebintu ase nsemo eyiga the right hand side as kuna geometrical sets, success cards, sanitary towels, also parts which are as abokiwa abayiga ba umakoyiga.
Matete kali ako. Iya, saya makan. Oh, masih asyik.
wewe lengo tuacheri.
Ndio. Si ndio hii. Unataka tatu ilikuwa 22. Chacha ya hii inakuwa gani? Benito.
Asante sana. Naikuru PAG. Barikiwa sana. God bless you. Thank you MC. Thank you very much. Asante. God bless you. God bless you.
Sasa niruhusu niwapeleke katika kipindi cha hotuba. Ningependa kumpisha mwalimu mkuu Bwana Sakari Karonja.
Thank you so much, the MC. High Excellency, the First Lady Wamboka, the Leader of the Majority, Honorable Moracha, the area MCA, Honorable Koba, other MCAs who have accompanied this team, the chiefs who are here, the Naikuru secondary POM members, and the Naikuru primary and HSS POM members who are here, the head teacher, my counterpart who is here, the teachers of Naikuru secondary, and the teachers of Naikuru primary and HSS, the parents who are here, the students who are here, good evening. Ladies and gentlemen, it's my pleasure to welcome the visitors who have come here to visit Naikuru. It's a privilege that we have the first lady here for the first time. And as Naikuru, we are so much excited for being here this evening. Before I give a brief speech, I may introduce my staff, and because of time, I request also the staff of Naikuru Primary to step forward. Just so these are the teachers. Can the Naikuru primary teachers step this side? You can salute the visitors and you may take your seats. The remaining team is my teachers. You can also salute and you can take your seats. The PO members, primary and secondary, those who are here, can you please come forward? The PO members, These are some of the PO members who are here today. Can the primary PO members salute? You can take your seats. The second lady POM is here. You can also salute. You can take your seats. So, I want to give a brief speech about Naikuru. Naikuru has a population of 772 students. We have 3 streams across all the classes. We have 38 teachers. Last year, our KCSE students scored a mean of 6.4, and 100 students made it to university. Best schools in this sub-county. We took 100 students to university. This year, we have a population of 207 students. Of these, 80 are girls and 127 are boys. And we have set a target that we are going to achieve a mean of 7.0 plus. And tech is a target we have set for ourselves because we have looked at our capacity. And tech at least 150 students in university. Work as a team with the parents, the BOM, the BA, and teachers. And that is possible. However, this school is facing a number of challenges. One of the major challenges we are facing here as a school is lack of clean and reliable water. These students are walking for almost 5 kilometers to go and fetch water this evening. And this leads to wastage of, and there will be discipline. Because once these students go outside the school, then things happen on the way. So it's my request through Her Excellency, who is here today. Can you please help us to get water? We are walking, these students are walking to the Czech market to fetch water. It's a serious issue. Because when they walk, they waste a lot of time. So it's a plea as in Naikuru community that we get water here. It has not rained for about 2 weeks here. It's so dry here. So daily, students go to fetch water from very far, about 2.5 kilometers to, and about 2.5 kilometers back to school. Secondly, our girls here, a dorm for girls here is my part wall, is my part roofed. It has my part on the walls, and it has my part on the roofs. The boys, of course, have a towering building down there, a very good building. But the girls who are here at Naikuru do not have a place where they sleep. So it's also a request as a school that you post for through other means, either fundraising or donation, that we build a modern dormitory for our girls. And for your information, last year, among the top 10 students, the girls did better, were at the top. So if we give them that facility, I know the girls will perform better, they will compete favorably with the boys who are here. And maybe the boys who will join us next year in Formula. Those are some of the challenges we are facing as a school. And I request through our MCA, we have so much, that you intervene, that we get those 2 facilities. Our MCA has done so well. The road network here is now better. It was the worst a year ago. We didn't have a road here.